Hi guys, so if your keyboard backlight is not turning on, first of all just click on this Apple icon and click on system settings, and now just in the left menu you have to go to keyboard. Just click on keyboard, and in the right side just try to change the keyboard brightness by dragging the slider and see if it is, the brightness is increasing, the backlight is increasing or not. Now if this is also not working, then what you can do, you can just go to this URL. Okay, I have pasted this URL in the description of this video. Okay, just click on this link. Okay, and now click on connect keyboard. Okay, if this is not connecting in Safari, you can try Chrome. Okay, just paste this URL, click on connect keyboard, select your keyboard backlight, click on connect, and now try to drag the slider. Okay, just click on this, connect, and try to drag the slider, and your issue will be solved. Just click on the link given below. Now if this also does not work and you want to control the keyboard backlight, just turn this to never, turn back keyboard backlight after inactivity, turn this to never, and turn off adjust keyboard brightness in low light. Okay, that's it guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to